something in me knew that this was just the path. My sole purpose in life, what makes me feel the best, is putting smiles on faces. That's really what drives me.
Stomp your feet for him, Vaughn Gittin Jr., two-time Formula Gym champion.
When you see me drive and see me behind the wheel, I'm going hard for what I want. To win that event, to be the best guy there.
He's coming off of an Ultra4 championship. He's doing off-road, on-road, a professional fun haver. Vaughn Gittin Jr. gets the win.
I love throwing the car in hard. I love standing on the throttle. I love driving it with a ton of angle and just challenging myself from behind the wheel.
He's built his brand RTR with Ford Performance, just has his hand in multiple different motorsports.
For me, style is almost as important as performance. The look and the style of the car, you know, these are things that are just a constant progression. For me, that is what makes this so fun. We want to inspire people not only by the looks of the car, but how the car looks when it's doing its job. Whether it's a Mustang sideways at 100 miles an hour in Formula Drift, or a Bronco jumping through the air or ripping through whoops. Like, we want people to see that and people to be inspired by it.
Pretty amazing for Vaughn Gittin Jr. to see what he's got cooking.
My style is just real. You know, I just be me no matter what.